Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, we're going to be cleaning this house that's extremely dirty. We're going to be soft washing it. Check out down below in the link in the description. I'm going to link everything that I use in this video: my pressure washer, my hose, this cool thing right here that I'll be using, the J-Rod. So it has a couple different tips to shoot up high in the air. You'll see I'll be able to get all the stories. I've got a ball valve, and I like this one because I can hold it like this, but you'll see how I soft wash this house. Check out the link in the description for all the equipment.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with, yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
And don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly and steal the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nicki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with, yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby.
Alright, so now we're just gonna let that bleach sit for a little bit. I did hit it with 2 coats, and the best thing to do is just kind of let it chill out for about 10 to 15 minutes. Work on another side of the house. You know, do the right side and then hit the back. But so far so good. This house has some weird angles that are kind of throwing me off, but so far we're doing pretty good on this house. We're about 30 minutes in and we're almost completely done with the house. So there was a lot of rough stains. This was only the back, but this was definitely the worst. So let that chill out for a second and I'll be back and rinse it all off.
Bye.